Hey y'all, it's Gabe the Nutritionist here, and today I want to talk about why people might want a nutritionist. So from a lot of clients, I've talked to them and I ask them, why did you come to me? Why did you want my help? And the number one thing I hear is confusion. It's really hard to, learn nutrition, to learn how to get healthy. And I asked them, like, why is it hard? And they told me there's so much conflicting information on the internet. There's so many people saying something different that they don't know what to do, right? And, they're actually right. There's so many different nutritional dogma going on in the world of nutrition. Some people want to be vegans. Some people want to be carnivores. Some people do in between. Some people do really weird things like, peating. Some people do different things. So really, and the problem is I've seen people from every camp. I've seen vegans. I see vegetarians. I see carnivores. I see people that are doing weird things like peating. And I help them all. Because at the end of the day, right, every diet you ever do has a problem. You either eat something that's very toxic, or you eat something that gives you a nutrient deficiency. And the thing about some of these people is they also go, the biohacking route, which the big problem I have with biohacking is you keep taking these drugs disguised as herbs that gives you an energy boost, it gives you a brain boost, it gives you a boost, and then you get burned out. You have the candle burning on both ends. And eventually, biohackers burn out and they feel horrible. Then they take another herb, they take another drug, they do, some biohacking magic. And then they're sick, they're not feeling good, and they have problems. So, it can be really confusing to learn nutrition, to try and do something. And a lot of people are really grateful that they spent money on me. They invested in themselves. When they did, they saved their money, they saved their time, and they saved stress. It's really hard to do a diet and not know if you're doing something right or wrong. You really don't. And that's the thing. I see carnivores eating a bunch of liver and kidneys and they get sick and I gotta help them. I see the vegans, vegetarians, right? They're deficient in B12 and zinc and taurine and all their amino acids, and they come to me and I help them. So at the end of the day, right, you gotta find someone who's gonna help you, who's gonna be your guide, right? It's kind of like when you work a job, right? You have someone over you. They're there to help you. They're there to help you learn the job, help you do a better job. If you don't do a good job, then you lose your job, right? So jobs are really important, and that's why, we have this economy where people are experts in different things, and they help you. If you want to go get a photography taken of you're going to go find a person who, is really good with the camera, right? If you're sick and need surgery, you're going to find a great surgeon. So what I tell people, right, is you need to get a good nutritionist, because at the end of the day, right, you want to go on a path where you feel better and you're happier and your health is improving. I see a lot of people not doing that, and it's kind of worrisome to me that people are investing in a nutritionist, because by the time you know it, they're 40, they get cancer, they get a heart attack, they have type 2 diabetes, and it's kind of crazy because people who got sick at 60 years old are now getting sick at 40 years old. So as a culture, we're becoming incredibly unhealthy. And, it all starts with diet. And the downstream effects of a bad diet is going to impact your health. So I help people with money. They save money. They don't buy all this crappy supplements that you don't need. There's a lot of supplements you don't need that do nothing for your body and actually hurt you in the long run. So that's the benefit of coming to see me. Second, your grocery list. You know exactly what to get. I tell you what you got to eat for your body, of course. Everyone's different. I help people with, their own self. I don't give people a copy and paste diet that's lazy and it doesn't ever work. So you know where to go in the grocery store, in and out. You don't buy, these superfoods. I mean, I'll be honest. Every superfood is a fad. It doesn't work. There's always something toxic about superfoods, and there's no benefit to a superfood. Arguably, the only superfood is beef, bison, lamb. That's it. Everything else is toxic. And people are happy once they get help from me, because you're not wasting hours, days, weeks of your time, right? Watching some random guy on YouTube who doesn't even see clients. I see clients. I get feedback all the time. You have people on YouTube making all these videos. They get, they have millions of views, millions of followers. At the end of the day, they don't even see people. So they're just spewing all sorts of bullshit without seeing if their bullshit worked. And I gotta help those people, because obviously they spew bullshit and I gotta help them because their health went down. So yeah, find an actual nutritionist. It's nice to listen to a video online on the internet. There's all these different people out there. But find someone who is an actual nutritionist who will see you. Because then you get accountability. You get someone who is actually an expert that sees people. There's a big difference between people who just give free advice and people who actually help you. Someone who helps you, like a nutritionist, they get to know you, they get to work with you, and they get to give you the best recommendations. I can give all sorts of recommendations if I never met you, right? But if I meet you and I get to talk to you, then I know how to help you. I know what problems you've had, I know what medications you're on, I know what supplements you've taken, I know what diseases you have, so I can help you even better. And that's the thing. You save money, you save time. Time's valuable. If you don't really take care of your nutrition, you're gonna be stuck in the doctor's office for hours. It's cold, and they don't really give a shit about you. They say, "Yep, you got a disease, you got a symptom. Bye bye. Pay the copay," and then you're just wasting time, spending money, and you're never really getting help. They put you on a drug for the rest of your life, and you never got off of it. When was the last time you ever heard of a doctor putting someone on a drug and then getting them off of the drug? Never, ever. So when I work with people, I work with them. I don't change anything about their drugs. That's not my expertise. That's not in my practice. I help them get healthier, and eventually the doctor sees their results. They get happy, get them off the drug. Boom, they save money for the rest of their life, right? So it's important to find someone who's going to guide you, who's going to have you held accountable. Because these nutritionists, they see people, they pay them, leave them, never see them again, right? I care about you. I want you to have long-term success. I'm not here for a good 3 months and I'm out. After 3 months, I still want to see you. I want to talk to you. I want to help you. Help your friends, your family, your children. Because in reality, it's about having a family doctor, right? You need a family nutritionist. Because truly, your health is wealth. And the problem with doctors is they don't study nutrition in school. They get 1 hour in nutrition, about over 1,000 hours in nutrition. They got nothing on me. And that's why doctors send people to me. Because, I have a skill they don't have, and that's where I come in. So if you really want help, whatever it is, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, weight loss, I actually like helping people with autoimmune diseases because I can figure things out and I help them in the long run, and they're pretty happy. So whatever your problem is, even if you just want to get healthy, just lifestyle changes, I'm here for you. I can do that for you. Because again, right, you want to invest in yourself to save money, save time, and save stress. There's just too much to do in the world, You got your job, you got your family, you got your kids, you have your friends, you have your hobbies, you have different events you attend. And really, the last thing you want to do, right, spend time, learning nutrition, starting from the bottom up, trial and error, falling into pit holes. I've been there, I've done that, that's my expertise. I help guide you through the maze as quick as possible so you're not stuck in that maze. So if you want an appointment with me, I'm going to help you. This is the last time I'm going to be charging $69 for an appointment. After that's going to go a lot up because I'm getting more clients now, and my time is valuable. So if you want to book an appointment with me, you can do that. Click in the link, and yeah, I'll be happy to help you. Like and share, because someone out there is going to need a nutritionist that will change their life and transform it for the better. So yeah, like and share. Thank you. God bless you. And I look forward to helping you, because we all need nutritionists that knows what they're doing to help guide us. All right. Thank you now.